Hello, dear scholars. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So, children, whenever I meet you, I give you some instructions, isn't it? But that instructions are for you all. So, children, whichever chapters, okay, we have finished. I have sent you the notes also. Okay, try to complete that chapters. Okay, children. So, today we are going to start another new chapter. That is from our Madhuban grammar book. Okay, and it is really very easy chapter if I can say that because it's well known to you. How? Because you have studied it in your second standard. So we are just going to revise it. Okay, but we will learn some more exercises. Okay, which will be very interesting to you. So children, let's start.
Words are arranged in an alphabetical order according to the first letter. So children, this you have already studied. Yes, this all are called alphabetical order. So children, here are some words. First one is apple. Second, bus. Third one, donut. Fourth one, the frog. Yes, can you see this frog is jumping? Yes. So children, can you see? These are the letter A, B, this one E, and F. What are these children? These are letters. Okay. But this all are not arranged in alphabetical order. We need to arrange them. Putting in ABC means alphabetic order. It's easy. Just look at the first letters. For example, BUS bus, BOUGH and UT donut, FROG frog, APPND apple. So, what are these children? These are some letters. Okay, these are some first letter, and these are not arranged in alphabetical order. But we need to arrange it. So let's see first answer. Yes, APPLE apple. Because first letter of alphabetical order is A. Second B. Yes. Second alphabetical order is B. So bus. And there is no C spelling I have given in the exercise. So after C, which alphabet will come? D. Yes. Donut. Then after D, E will come. But E words I have not given. So E after F. Yes. Frog. 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 Because it starts with F. Okay, children. So what you need to do? You need to arrange the word according to alphabetical order. If letters are not in sequence, you need to skip it. Okay, children? And then you need to write the words. If the first letter are different, just arrange the words according to alphabetical order. What if first letters are all same? Pot pot, pit pit, alligator, all, and air. So what do you see, children? Here all the spellings and their first letter are same. Spellings are different, but their first letters are same. Here P, here also P, and here all start with A. So in this situation, what you will do, children? Let's see. Yes, look at the second letter. What you need to do? You need to look at the second letter. For example, P-O-T, pot. You need to see second letter of the word. And then P-I-N, pin. Okay. So how we will arrange here? Yes, first word will be P-I-N. Second, P-O-T, pot. Why? Because I comes before O. Okay, so we need first, before starting this, you need to know alphabet. And you all are aware about alphabet. Okay, if you know the alphabet letter, it would be easy for you to arrange it. Then, aeroplane, all, and, air. Okay, see the second letter, all are different. Okay, so we need to arrange in alphabetical order. First will be aeroplane, second air, third one all, fourth one and. Okay, it's easy. Here are some teachers' notes. What you need to do? Look at the first letter of the word. Yes, first we need to look at the first letter. If different, just use first letter. And say, look at the second letter of the word. Please. This is your grammar book exercise, children. The page number 7. Let's study this. Neetu Nair, Ashish Arora, Samir Patel, and Harpreet Hoda all study in the same class. The day begins with the teacher calling out their names from the register kept for the attendance. Can you guess how the teacher has arranged their name in the class register? This you are aware about. Yes, your teacher also take your attendance when you enter the class, isn't it? So exercise A, write the names in the order that will be called out by teacher. So children, how your teacher called out your name according to your roll number, and but how the roll number are arranged is according to your name, first letter of your name. So let's see whose name will come first in this exercise. Yes, first one will be Ashish Arora. Why? His name start with the first letter A. Okay. So other you need to do, children, because now you are aware about it. How to arrange these names according to alphabetical order. How did you guess the order? Yes, by arranging them according to the first letter of their names. Okay, children. If you see the mobile phone of your father or mother, you will find the names arranged in the alphabetical order too. Yes, children, yes, you are aware about it. Your mobile phone also. Okay, the names are arranged according to alphabetical order. If you don't know, just check your mobile number. You can see there are so many names. They are arranged in alphabetical order. Of course, to be good at the alphabetical order, you have to know the letters of the alphabet well. But I am sure you know the alphabet by heart, don't you? We arrange the names of these animals in the correct alphabetical order. So children, here are some animals with pictures are given. Okay, so what you need to do? You have to arrange their names according to alphabetical order. Okay. First one is beaver. Where is beaver, children? Yes, Yes, it is here. This is a picture of a beaver. Zebra, this you all are aware about it. Here is zebra. Walrus, this one. Picture of walrus. Monkey, here. Iguana. Iguana is also an animal. It's aquatic animal. It's here. Yak. This one is yak. Horse. Dog. Rat. Snake. Here. Okay. So now you are aware about the animals. You need to arrange them in alphabetical order. First I am going to do for you beaver. Yes, first one will be beaver. Because here A alphabet A is not there. Okay, so we need to skip there and we need to search another letter. After A, B will come. So B word we will write here. Beaver. Now second dog. Yes, B is there. B letter. So B-O-G dog. So children, now other you need to arrange them in alphabetical order. Okay. How do you arrange two words beginning with the same letter in the alphabetical order? Well, you look at the second letter in the word. This we have studied, okay? So now it is very easy for you to arrange it. Arrange this word in the correct alphabetical order. Contentment, pleasure, glee, delight, exhilaration, ecstasy, cheerfulness. Okay, here are some words. First will be cheerfulness. Second, contentment. Okay. So children, other you need to arrange in your book. Okay. Write it with a good handwriting. Now, look up the meanings of these words in the dictionary. You will find that they all are synonyms of one word. What is that word? Write your answer here. So children, this C exercise, this all are synonyms. Synonyms means meaning. Okay children. So, this all the meaning is of one word. Okay. So which word is there that you need to find out? See in your dictionary. Okay. So you will get the meaning of it. And you can write in your grammar book. It's very easy. Look in your dictionary and find out the answer.